Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here to take up the new chapter number 8, Adjective. So all of you please open your books, page number 40. Yes, so before starting the chapter, I would like to read out a few sentences in front of you, yes, which are there in your books as well. So you all follow your books and you can follow the board as well because I have written these sentences on the board too. So I am going to read out these sentences first and then I am going to explain you what are adjectives. Okay? So please follow me. He is a fat boy. First, number 1. Number 2, the kind girl gave me food. Number 3, this is a black buffalo. 4, Kriti is a sincere girl. He is a hardworking man. Meena has 2 dogs. So you can see these sentences. In these sentences you can see a few words which are underlined and highlighted. Yes. For example, fat in first sentence, kind in second sentence, black in third sentence, and sincere in fourth sentence, and hardworking in 2. All these words are highlighted. Right? Underlined and highlighted. So these words are called adjectives. Why they are called adjectives? Because they are describing what? They are describing noun. Yes, they are describing noun in a sentence. So the words which describe nouns in a sentence are called adjectives. For example, you see, he is a fat boy. So in this first sentence, which is a noun? Boy. This boy is a noun, right? Boy is a noun. And then the fat is telling the personality of a boy, like what kind of a personality a boy has. Boy has a fat personality. He is fat, right? So that means this fat word is telling something about boy. And what is boy? Boy is a noun. But fat is telling something about a noun. That means this fat is adjective. Why it is adjective? Because it is telling something about a noun. It is telling something about a boy, which is a noun. You see the second sentence. The kind girl gave me food. Now, in this sentence, what is girl? Girl is a noun. But which word is describing a girl? Kind word is describing a girl. And what kind of a girl was she? She was kind in nature. That means this word is describing her nature. This word kind is describing the girl's nature, right? So this kind is an adjective. Why it is an adjective? Because it is describing a girl. And what is girl? Girl is a noun. Similarly, you see the third example. This is a black buffalo. Buffalo. You can see in this sentence, buffalo. What is buffalo? Buffalo is a noun. And which word is telling something about buffalo? Like what color a buffalo has? Buffalo has a black color. It is black in color, means color. Right? It is telling buffalo's color. So that means black will be an adjective. Why? Because it is telling something about a buffalo, which is an animal and which is a noun. So that means this black will be an adjective. Now you see the fourth example. Kriti is a sincere girl. So Kriti, what is a Kriti? Kriti is a noun, proper noun, right? So which word is describing Kriti? Which word? This sincere word. That what kind of girl she is? She is a sincere girl. That means sincere is an adjective because it is telling something about a noun, which is Kriti. Kriti is a noun in this sentence. He is a hardworking man. Now in this sentence, man is a noun. And which word is telling something about man or describing a man? Hardworking. This word hardworking is describing a man, right? It is telling something about a man which we don't know. So this adjective, hardworking, is an adjective. Why it is an adjective? Because it is telling something about man, which is a noun. Now you see the last example. Meena has 2 dolls. Yes, these adjectives not only tell the quality, but these adjectives also tells us the number. Yes, the number, the quality, or any kind of emotion also. So means Meena has 2 dolls, so it is a number. So how many dolls Meena has? Meena has 2 dolls. So this 2 will be an adjective because it is telling something about Meena. What does Meena have? Meena has 2 dolls. And what is Meena? Meena is noun. Dolls is also a noun, but you see it is describing now that how many dolls Meena has? 2. And what Meena adjectives are the words which describes noun in a sentence or which tells us something about a noun. Now moving on, I am going to read out the paragraph which is given in your book. Then I am going to explain it. Please follow where I will be reading. Adjective tells us about size. Size, you see. The first example in this sentence, this fat word is telling the size of a boy. This fat word is telling the size of a boy. That means this is an adjective. Why? Because it is telling the size of a noun. It is mentioned in the book also that it is telling the size of a noun. Boy is a noun and it is telling the size of a noun. Quality, you see. Which are the words which are telling the quality of a noun? Kind is telling the quality, like what kind of girl she is. She is a kind girl. Sincere, what kind of girl Kriti is? Kriti is a sincere girl. He is a hardworking man. What kind of a man he is? He is a hardworking man. So this kind, sincere and hardworking, all these three words are telling the quality. What quality a noun has? Noun has these qualities: kind, sincere and hardworking. All these comes under qualities. So adjective tells us the size of a noun, fat, size, right? Adjective tells us the quality, kind, sincere, hardworking. These are the qualities. And adjective tells us about the color. Yes, color. You see, this is a black buffalo. So noun is buffalo and black is telling the color of a noun. Color. So black, and this black, what will be black? Black will be an adjective. Why? Because it is telling the color of a noun. Now you see, we have finished three category of adjectives. First one was the size of a noun. Second one was the quality of a noun. Third one was the color of a noun. For example, Maryjohn ma'am is wearing a green saree. So this green will be an adjective. Why? Because it is telling the color of my saree. Saree is noun and the color of my saree is green. So this green will be an adjective. Now you see, sincere, hardworking and kind, all these come under qualities. Like she is a beautiful girl. I have a pretty dress. All these comes under qualities. Now you see the last one. Meena has 2 dolls. Adjective also tells the number of a noun. Yes, dolls is a noun and you see in this sentence it is telling the number of a noun, like how many dolls Meena has. So Meena has 2 dolls. So this 2 is an adjective. Why? Because it is telling the number of a noun. So adjective tells you the size, the quality, the color and the number of a noun. Understood everyone? Now you see the other examples which are there in your books also. First one is the rose is red. In your book the rose is in red color, but I didn't have a red color, so I used pink. So I have changed the sentence. The rose is pink. So this is a pink rose, so I have changed the color name. So that is pink. The rose is pink. You see, color. In this I just said the color of a rose. Rose is a noun, and what is the color of a rose? Is pink. So what will be pink? Pink will be an adjective. Now you see the other example. The earth is round. You see the earth is round. So this earth is a noun. The earth is a noun and round. What it is telling? It is telling the size of a noun. This round is a size, right? I have explained that adjective tells us the size of a noun too. The color I have explained. Pink is a color, so adjective tells the color of a noun. Round, what is round? It is a size of a noun. Earth is noun and round is a size of a noun. That means it is an adjective. Now you see the third example. The box is square. Again it is telling something about the quality of a box, like what shape does it have. Shape or size, it comes under adjective only. So the box is square, then square will be an adjective. Why? Because it is telling something about a box. So now you have understood what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words which describes a noun or tells something about a noun. Yes, all these are the adjectives. Fat, the words which I have underlined. Fat, kind, black, sincere, hardworking, two, pink, round and square. All these words are adjectives. Why? The reason is because they are describing nouns in a sentence. They are describing the nouns and plus they tell something about the noun. Either they describe the noun or they tell something about a noun. The color, or the size or the number, anything. It combines of everything. It combines of the size, the quality, the number, and whatever it is, it combines everything in a way it describes a noun. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood the chapter, like what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which describes a noun in a sentence, which tells something about a noun. So yes, that's all for today. Please learn the definition which is given in your book of adjectives, and the exercises I will be giving in the next video. So yes, that's all for today. Thank you.